Yes, this is the box you get. Perfectly imperfect. So me. इस पे लिखा है the bundle of joy. Yes, it is. Definitely it is. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Candid Joe. Today's video is an unboxing of the great, the giant, the super amazing, the cutest gift ever by my sister, which is none other than a New Year bundle. Because this is the best test gift you can give it to somebody who is into very cute things, who is into keeping and maintaining journals or diary. And she found, my sister Jenny, impeccable Jenny, found this website called Space and Beauty. It's an Instagram store and obviously has a website from where you can order. This is called a New Year bundle. They give you a lot of things in this bundle. This is purely value for money. Let me give you a quick introduction of this website. So this is a pretty amazing website again that will give you a lot of things like diary, journals. There are a lot of other things, stickers, बहुत सारी चीजें. I'll put a link of their website in the description box below. Also would put a picture right here. You can just see in a glimpse what all they sell. But in this bundle, I mean they have included everything. So if you're very confused कि किसको क्या दूँ, you can just take this bundle, because this is something they will keep it as a memory forever. So I think you should really go for this. This is for about 3,000 bucks. And without any further delay, let's quickly open this huge box. Yes, this is the box you get. So in this giant box, there are 3 more boxes. So everything is packed in these carton boxes. So this is box number 1. And this is box number 2. This is box number 3. First of all, look at the aesthetic of everything. Look at the design. Look how cute everything is as you open layer by layer. So this is Space and Beauty 2021 calendar, and it says Senorita. You can see like how cute. Your girl is gonna love it if you decide to gift. And this is something you can hang in your room, and this looks really nice. I'm always into like bigger calendar कि आपको दूर से उसका text दिख जाए, यानी कि आपको date देखने के लिए एकदम पास में जाना पड़े if it's like a small calendar. And look at this. And you have this really beautiful quotes on each month. So it says, don't forget to pamper yourself. If you're sad, add more lipstick and go attack. Now let me open this second box number 2. इस पे लिखा है the bundle of joy. Yes, it is. Definitely it is. Okay, there's so many other things. Okay, so the first one is this pocket planner. फटाफट मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ how it looks from inside. I think this is something very useful for me because I get Insta Reels ideas, YouTube ideas almost anywhere. Randomly a thought will hit my mind and I want to write it because my retention power is not so good. Second thing they have is these cards. These are like super cute minimalistic cards. As I said, everything cute and adorable. The third thing is, and it's just a blank notebook so that you can write anything, like literally anything. And fourth thing in the box is this. This says bring your soul. Again, this is one more calendar. Inside you get this table calendar. Pehle wala calendar you can just hang in your room on the wall, and this is something you can put on your desk. Again, super cute. I'm gonna say cute like 1,000 times in this video because this is all so cute. Let me show you this really quickly. Like who designed this? Really an artist. And that's done. We are done with box number 2. Now time for box number 3. And this is the heaviest of all. I'm sure this one has the best things. Alright, you get this prettiest box. You look at that. Oh god, this is so cute. I mean, I can just keep this box, keep all of my important stuff in this. The quality of everything is super nice, and this is not sponsored at all. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं इतनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ, but because I am into all of these things, so aesthetic, cute, super adorable things, pink, lavender, everything is there. So मैं बहुत excited हूँ ये सब कुछ आपको दिखाने के लिए. So अब इसमें भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. To start with, the first thing is this pop socket. ये आपके फ़ोन के पीछे लग जाएगा. It's sticky and it will help you to hold your phone better. Take selfies like this, and it has this leopard design. मतलब ये क्या मेरे लिए ही बॉक्स बनाया था? I'm so much into the leopard designs. Oh my god! Control, Jyotsa, control. It has everything that you would need in your stationery, no matter if you're a school student, college student, or you go to work. You need these things, right? So they have these bookmarks, so super cute bookmarks, and this is a card, super cute card. It says you mean a lot to me. From and to, you can just add text and give it to your loved ones. There are a few notes. It's a Japanese concept. It's called Ikigai or Aikigai. You can have a closer look to this. This word means a reason for being, and they explain you this whole concept. This is my second favorite of this bundle. First favorite abhi to khola nahi hai maine. So this is the ultimate sticker book. I mean, you think of a sticker, they have it. They have lots of sticker. Let me just show you, okay? मतलब क्या चाहिए आपको, क्या चाहिए बताओ मुझे चाहिए आपको फूड, आपको ट्रैवल चाहिए, आपको स्पोर्ट्स चाहिए, आपको प्लांट्स चाहिए, आपको क्या चाहिए बताओ भाई. And see how thick the book is. All stickers. Super cute. And the last but not the least, finally, the ultimate planner. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the maker of this? I mean, उस बंदे जिसने भी ये बनाया है, जो भी इसका डिज़ाइनर है, I just want to thank you. The color coordination, the color you chose, the concept behind it, whatever you've added, जितना जीनियस दिमाग लगाया है कि एक बंदे को क्या क्या चाहिए होगा एक न्यू ईयर किट में, everything is there. It says, let's go 2021. It says limited edition. I'm sure this is limited edition because it has to be. This is so good. If time allows, I want to show you each and every page of this planner because it's that good and useful. Everything is important that you would need on your planner. I'll just show you a flat lay view of all of these things. So keep on watching. That's all for today, guys. I hope you loved the unboxing of super amazing, super cute New Year bundle. I'm sure if you were looking for something like this for New Year, I think this is the one. I really wanted to share this with you because that's the super amazing thing I had come across in a very long time. Thank you to my sister. If you're watching this, obviously you're watching this. And that's all. I know that 2020 has been the shittiest year, and I really hope 2021, if not brings brilliant days, brings better days, and the situation gets better with all of us, with the world, and let's just hope for the best. For yourself, you can just try and become the best version of yourself. And thank you so much for watching this. If you have completed this video, I thank you a lot of kisses for you guys, and do stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna share with you top 5 gift ideas for New Year or for any occasion for that matter. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, share, comment, all of that, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.